Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you to check your oil level. So first, make sure your hood's open, which this currently is, and that your vehicle is turned off, so no motor running. And then up front, we're going to look for this stick here. This is your dipstick. So pull that out. And then typically with a rag or a paper towel, you'll wipe this fully clean, and then you'll stick it right back in that same hole, and then pull it back out. And then we're gonna look for the oil to ideally be somewhere on that kind of plaid grid pattern there between those two dots. If it's below that, so you barely have any on the dipstick, that's when you definitely should consider adding some oil. And then here you can also kind of see the consistency of your oil, which would be one way to check how overdue or close you might be to needing an oil change, because you should definitely be getting your regular oil changes every, depending on the oil, every say 3 to 7 or 8,000 miles. But that said, now that we checked that, let's say it was low, you can add oil here. So just unscrew this, and then with your funnel or directly from the jug, you can just pour your quart in as needed. You don't want to overfill. As much as you can help it, you definitely don't want to have it underfilled either. So then same process, once you have it filled up as much as you think it might need, screw this back on. And then I would start the car and run the engine for maybe a minute or so, turn it back off. And then same process we started by pulling the dipstick out, cleaning it, sticking it back in and pulling it out and checking if it's still low. But then generally speaking, for your oil changes, you don't necessarily need to with this car, but it's easier if you have it on a lift, so you can get underneath easier to the oil pan to unscrew the oil plug, drain out all the old oil, put in a new oil filter, and then just top it all off with brand new fluids. And then as much as you can too, you want to for sure stick to the recommended type of oil, but also, whether you've been using conventional or synthetic and the same brand of oil, just better to stick to the same if you can. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.